Welcome to the FUENTES Family Channel. My name is Lorie. In today's video, we are going to interview Filipinos from Goa, Bicol, Philippines, and we are going to ask them if they would approve their daughters to marry or to date a foreigner. Okay, so let's find out. What is your name po?
I am Miss Ella.
Ella. That's a very beautiful name, Ella. Nice to meet you, Ma'am Ella. How old are you po, ma'am?
I'm 39.
39. Okay, and are you single or you're in a relationship?
A single mom.
She's single, mom. And how many kids do you have, mom?
I have only one kid.
Wow, one
One
kid.
daughter.
And how long have you been single?
13 years? Yeah, 13 years. No, 10 years.
You're not married, right?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, 13 years. That's quite long already.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, anyway, may we know what's your job?
I'm a private employee.
Private employee. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Anyway, mom, here is the question. Would you approve your daughter to date or marry a foreigner?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Why not?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, dating is just like knowing somebody or like getting to know each other is a dating. So when you say dating is a broad, there's a broad definition in it. Doesn't mean you are going to engage to that person or in a relationship right away.
That's a beautiful answer. Okay. Would you have any concerns about your daughter dating or marrying a foreigner rather than a Filipino?
Well, I don't have any concerns about that because when it comes to love, love has no boundaries. If your daughter fell in love with a foreigner or a Filipino, it doesn't matter because just like what I said earlier, love has no boundaries. So when you fell in love with somebody, you will never ask what gender he is, what color he or she is, and what nationality he or she is.
So you don't have concerns at
Not at
all.
all.
Wow. Or any expectations, right? That's very
Yeah.
beautiful. Okay. How about many people will say she is only doing it for the money. What would you like to say to those people?
Well, you know what? People has their own opinion in life, opinion about love, perspective about love. So for me, as an individual, as a human being, I don't even care about for me. So I am not saying for everybody, just for me, that opinion of others is not just. It's not really that important. What important most is my own perception in life, what I do believe in life, and what I stand for life. So it's up to them because we are in a freedom country. We have a free will, freedom to think, freedom to say, and freedom of expression. So it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. So you don't care
Yeah.
at all.
Yes.
Like, okay, I'll mind my own business.
Exactly.
Okay. Mamela, are you looking for a serious relationship right now?
Hopefully, can find
Hopefully.
someone.
Uh, 13 years is quite long
Yes,
already.
yes, yes. But
Yes.
I think I'm not lucky finding true love. I'm
Oh,
still not losing hope for that.
okay. Who knows?
Yeah,
Who
nobody
knows?
knows.
Yes, nobody. Maybe tomorrow or later. Who
Exactly.
knows? What is your name po?
My name po is Lani Yanson Billones.
Lani. Nice to meet you, Ma'am Lani. How old are you po, Ma'am?
I'm 55 years old.
55. And how many kids do you have?
I have 6 kids.
6 kids. Wow. Are you still working?
Uh, no, I have
No.
no ano. I am an online seller, self-employed.
Self-employed. So you're selling like clothes like that, Ma'am?
Yeah, yeah.
Online.
Ukay-ukay and
Okay. Thrift store, like thrift
mga
clothes.
foods.
Foods. Wow. At 55 years old, very nice. Okay. Anyway, mom, here's the question. Would you approve your daughter to date or marry a foreigner? Yes or no?
No.
No?
But, uh, depende po. Depende. Pwede mag-Tagalog?
Opo.
Okay, okay. Depende naman po yun. Pero kung ako lang po tatanungin, ayoko po. Kasi, kumbaga po, parang kung sa foreign dadalhin siya doon, mapapalayo sa amin. Pero kung yun po ang gusto niya, so, support na lang kami and mag-a-advise na lang.
Oh, that's very beautiful. So what mom said is for her, no. But if her daughter, your daughter loves the foreigner, why not? Her only concern is that what if that foreigner bring her daughter abroad? So of course she's not gonna see her daughter. So that's her concern, her mainly concern. But again, if her daughter loves the foreigner, she will support her, right?
Yes.
Beautiful. Do you have any concern? Would you have any concerns, ma'am, about your daughter marrying or dating a foreigner rather than a Filipino? Aside from the foreigner is going to bring your daughter abroad, what else?
I have a fear may takot ako na pag foreigner kasi yung marami akong nakikita, di ba, sa online na minsan hindi maganda yung trato nila sa mga Pilipino. And marami ding nagpe-fail ang marriage pagdating doon. So, yun din ang takot. Pero pag Pinoy at nandito lang, so magagabayan mo, makikita mo, pwede mong puntahan.
So what mom said is that the only concern of her, aside from the foreigner is going to bring her daughter abroad, is that um, she she have seen she's seen lots of things or videos or news online, like for example the foreigner and in the Filipina having failed marriages like that. So that's her concern. And then when it comes to Filipino, if they're here in the Philippines living together, they were able to guide them, right? Okay.
Yes.
What else, ma'am? What else did you say aside from failed marriages? Ano pa nga po yung sinabi mo?
Minsan na-abuse din sila, yung mga ganun.
Mhm. Another thing is based online again, mom said that she saw foreigners abusing their partners, their Filipina partners. So that's
Nangyayari din talaga pag sa katotohanan.
okay. And she added that it really happens like in real life. Okay. Anyway, ma'am, what would you like to say to people saying that Filipinas are with foreigners for money?
Siguro po, yung iba talaga dahil kung dito sa Pilipinas mahirap ang kalagayan nila. So ganun ang ginagawa nila, talagang nagaano sa foreigner na sumasama talaga. Kasi ang pagkakaalam kasi konsepto ng iba na pag foreigner mayaman, pero meron naman pong foreigner na simple lang ang buhay pagdating sa abroad. So yun ang ano doon. Kaya kumbaga namamali lang po sa kumbaga they easily judge women, Filipino women.
So for mom, yes, that's actually happening here in the Philippines, that Filipinas, they're only with foreigner because they thought that foreigners are all rich, which is in reality, there are also foreigners that are, they're poor and they have like, fine, like, like not poor, but just enough, right? Like that. Not all foreigners are rich. That's what mom is trying to say. Okay. Ano yung masasabi mo po, madam, sa mga tao na tigja-judge yung mga Filipina?
Siguro, hindi naman kailangang i-judge sila kasi kumbaga, nagpili lang sila kung ano yung inaano ng puso nila. Yan lang po ang ano doon.
Okay.
Pero, dapat i-judge kasi sino nun tayo para mag-judge sa kanila. Wala naman tayong may tutulong na mabuti sa kanila kung ganun ang gagawin.
So what mom said is that we cannot judge someone just because she is with a foreigner, because who are we to judge, right? If we are not helping that person, then why judge? That's the answer of madam to those people. I mean, that's what she's going to say or would like to say to those people saying or thinking that she is only with foreigners because of the money. Well, thank you so much, mom, for having this interview with us. Salamat.
Thank you. Welcome.
Ma'am, anyway, thank you so much. Salamat.